grandmother always told me that if you don't write a thank you note, it's as if the good thing never happened.
Did you know that in Africa, some people believe that albinos are magical? These people will actually kidnap random albinos, cut them up, grind their bones. And I admire how you reinvented yourself after you lost your career as a politician. You went underground, built a whole new career with us.
But?
But, and it's messing with my bottom line.
I can't be your Batman, cause I be robbing. I don't want no locked ass bitch, give me noggin. Why you laughing?